What's up, guys? This is Carson with Tailwater Studios here. We're up for a little early morning duck hunt late in the season. Got about 2 weeks left, I think. But limited out with or at hit a 2-man limit with one of my buddies in about 20 minutes here the other day. So should be good. There's a cold front that just came in, so hopefully everything will be good. Alright, so I just finished unpacking the car. Gonna bring up some stuff to the spot and start getting set up. Alright, time to untangle all these decoys and get them set up. Got one motion decoy to try out and then 12 mallards, 6 teals. Decent spread, but let's get these untangled. Alright, I'm gonna just start tossing these as I go. Make it a little bit easier to untangle them. Alright, now let's get this guy up. This is my first time using this guy. First motion decoy I bought. It's an Avian X. Charged it up last night. See if it improves the spread. It's pretty windy, so it probably won't make too much of a difference today, but let's see if it helps at all. Pretty easy setup. Alright, let's get him out in the water. It's only about 3 feet, the cord is, so that right here should be good. Alright. Let's get the rest of these regular decoys in the water now. Alright, let's get the last of these guys in the water and we'll be good to go. Wait, actually I gotta brush in the blind a little bit and then we'll be good to go. Alright, now it's time to gather some dead grass and stuff to brush in the blind a little bit. Make sure we're not too visible, you know. And then we should be good to go from here after we get everything brushed in. I don't think this will take too long. Usually don't have to brush in too much, which is a very typical, but you know. Let me see. Let's get these in. So I'll just grab as much of this stuff, stick it in here like this as I can. I've got some stuff here that I used from last time I was here, just already nearby. Just sticking as much stuff in here as I can. Yeah, this is good stuff right here. Just get this right here. So I'll just keep brushing this in just like this until adequately covered up. Alright. I think we're almost about finished brushing this in. Just some last finishing touches. Okay. It doesn't need to be perfect, just trying to do just enough here. I think that's about good. Alright, I think we're ready to get the gun out, load up, and just about good to go. Got about 40 minutes before shooting that, just to set up. one. Thought I won that one. There we go, there he is. Got one. Thought I won that one. There we go, there he is. Not a ringneck. Damn, blasted his wing off. Alright, what's up, guys? So, only that one came in. I only got that one. Sun's come up. So, I think we should just walk around, check out the other tanks over here, see what we can come up with. Yeah, I seen there's some decent groups come in, but not a whole lot. Last time I was here, there was a ton more. So kind of disappointing, but still shot one. I think it's a Gadwall hen, if I am correct. So yeah, we'll move into this tank over here first, and then hopefully shoot 3, and move to the other one, and hopefully shoot 2 more. That is the goal. Cool as frick. There's 2 tanks here, or 3 tanks here. I've seen ducks in all 3. There's 2 there. 2 ringnecks, I think. So, oh man. But they're just a little bit too far from where I was at. So, we're gonna go check out this other tank first. And come back to those. Because I don't really like shooting ringnecks personally. It's a bit tastes like shit. It's a bit pain in the ass to deal with, So. There's a Texas duck on it, looks like. Oh, shit. Let's see what's on it. Okay. Dusty. Alright. On my neck. Just can't get over there. Okay, guys. Yeah, so I think it was just 3 ringnecks. I pulled 2 out of the water. Third one's still drifting. I gotta wait for it to get closer, so while that's happening, should go double check on these 2 on this one and see what they are. Pretty sure they're all cement. If they're ringnecks, I'm not gonna shoot them. What's up, guys? So unfortunately my camera died right there at that moment, so but I didn't really shoot anything there, so it didn't really matter too much. But after editing this video, I realized that my camera was dead whenever I went back over to show those ringnecks. So I have some pictures of some ringnecks that I shot a few weeks ago, just to give you guys kind of an idea of what they look like, if you haven't duck hunted before or seen those. So I'll show those there in a second, but thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.